Sarura Kids.
Just draw some shapes for me and then I'll cut them out. You can draw some shapes together, girls.
Mummy, so I want to do this cutting bit. Because I
have to follow the shapes that you give me. So here you've drawn a very interesting person with big hair. I don't know if I can get the hair, but I'm going to just cut around.
You can cut the hair.
I'll try and save the hair as much as possible. Okay, I'm going to do a triangle. Tiny one. Oh, I'm glad you think it's a star. Well done, Mummy. Yay! Enjoy your star, sweetie. I cut that one especially for you.
Your fish.
How many stars do you need to? I'm going to have to borrow a pen from someone. Because that's supposed to be a star as well. Yes. Don't judge.
I love that. Mummy, I love that.
You love that star as well? Oh, thank you.
Yay!
Too kind.
We are nearly finished.
Well done. I'm doing one big star over here.
A fat star again.
A very fat star, the fattest of them all. One big fat star. Woohoo!
That is so good, Mummy.
Oh, this thing really does transfer. Let's move the table back in position,
What
girls.
is?
Let's move the table back there. Let's close the lids of this thing. Let's do the next part. Our magical printer. Now this is state-of-the-art, modern technology, never before been seen, one-of-a-kind prototype only, super-duper printer. Kitchen roll. Dun, dun, dun.
I nested all these smoothie bits for you to smoothie up. And this person.
So what we're going to need all of that foam, and Mummy's going to put all that foam onto that roll. Alright, so can people sit down so you can do this experiment together?
So,
Yeah, there's no more left. So Mummy will just put a little dab of glue onto each foam, and you just stick them wherever you want to stick them on there, okay girls?
okay.
Alright, so you pick up a bit of foam and I'll put some glue onto it for you. And you can choose a place to stick it.
This person.
So leave out about a thumb so we can roll everything down. We need to hold it once we get to printing.
Is that going to be a decoration?
Yeah, that's the printer. So we are creating our own printing press. Apparently, a long time ago, the first bits of printer would have been like this, with just shapes or letters in the middle, and then they would just stamp. They were made from wooden blocks.
It's ruined for my.
Yeah, it's a bit sticky icky. I'll leave this to dry.
The stars are especially for the end.
I think you should find a slot to fit things into because we might very quickly run out of space. And I'll be very surprised. Okay, if it's the long ones, put it on the table because it has to go all the way across. We've got the printer and we've got our paint as well, so we're going to put some paint on this, which is just the outside of a cereal packet, but it's a bit shiny and not as absorbent as normal paper, so it can work as our shiny paper to put our paint on. You can also just put cling film on top of cardboard and do that. It is still dark, yes!
curtains are closed.
Yes, the curtains are closed. Now we've got our printer. Show everyone our lovely printer.
Do, 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 do. Mummy, we should never do this without a grown-up.
You can do it without a grown-up, but you get very, very messy. Before we do the paint, can we practice rolling our printer? Now, the trick to this printer, oh, you got it? Yeah, there we go. You roll it that way. So that's the way you roll it. Try and roll it forward so that when you do start to roll, you roll and press.
Mama, I want to make a race.
A printing race?
Yeah.
Let's start with printing technique and then we can make a printing race soon. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a bit of paint. That's very good rolling, sweetie. Now let's take that off for a second. Mummy's going to put a bit of paint over here. And I want you to just roll it forward in that paint. Just once. Roll it forward. So you scoop up some of that paint.
How are you doing?
Okay, well you need to go and stand next to your sister then. Go stand next to your sister so you can roll it forward. Oh, let's turn it around to you. We'll turn it around to you. So you have a chance to roll. Now let's move that away. Hold it up, hold it up. Hold your printer up. Hold your printer up in the air. Pick your printer up. That's it, well done. And abracadabra, alakazam. Here's your printing paper. Now roll it across. And it's printing. Look at it printing your shapes onto that paper. Thank you.
You got this lovely bits.
Yes, you've got your lovely printed picture. Yes, give your sister a turn. And then you can have another turn, okay? Because we've still got lots and lots of paint. So do you see how it squishes? Yeah, it squishes down. Squish, 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 squish. Because we've got to change papers as well, so you get more of a different pattern on another paper. Right, you ready for the second paper? Yeah, let's take this paper away. Right, are you ready to print, or shall we be printing on you? Ah! Attack of the printer! Oh no, the printer's attacking! Oh, quick, before the ink dries out! Who's gonna save the printer? No? 1, 2, 3! Oh, isn't that lovely? Look at those shapes. Oh, there's the star. The star made it. Do you see that star?
Oh no!
The wobbly star.
Oh.
It's okay. At least we have the printer now, so we can always use the printer for more projects. And we can always make new printers as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, so swapsies. We're now doing stampers. The partial printing is done and the stampers are in town.
I want to do some.
You want to do some stamping too? The printer is on the floor if you want the printer. It's all extracted. I don't think we'll have a printer to speak of tomorrow.
Oh no!
Because the printer's finding its way onto the paper. Oh well. It was a good idea. Now we know how block printing works. Now we have our own little homemade printer. Now we're having hand stampers because, you know, why not? So hand stamping and printing, and eventually our print production is working. Yeah, I think this will be called the abstract printing press. People were expecting to read the news off this printing press. The only news we have is that we have hand prints, we have lots of stampy prints, we have more hand prints, and we have little triangles. Because, you know, why not? Alright, printers, we're going to let you carry on and finish off your printing, and we will see our friends later. Later? Say bye.
No.
Say bye, see you later.
Bye, see you later.
Bye, printers.